So if you go to developer.apple.com, if you don't have a membership, you could sign up at the bottom right here for the membership. But if you already have one like I do, go over here and click Account. Now click Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles. Okay, so now go over to Identifiers and click App IDs. You're going to have to make a new app ID for your app. So go on the top right and click the plus button. And now we have to register an app ID. So this could be whatever you want. So this could be test in-app purchase. And now we need the bundle ID from our app. So if we go back to our app, and we go to the top where it says Analytics, we need to copy this bundle identifier here. And we're going to paste that in right here. Now scroll down. In-app purchase is already clicked, so we don't have to do that. But if you wanted any other of these services, you would just click those. But we're going to click Continue. And click Register. And click Done. So that's what you have to do to register a new app. Now, let's go over to iTunes Connect. This is where you manage all your apps, because we need to make a new app to get in-app purchases. So sign into that if you're not signed in already. And now a new screen will pop up with all your options in iTunes Connect. So we're going to click on My Apps. And all your apps you made are listed here. We're going to click on the plus button on the top left and click New App. Now type in the name. I'll do Test for IAP 123 to make sure it's not taken. Language, I'm going to pick English. ID, we're going to select the ID we just made. If you don't see it, you have to refresh the page a couple times because sometimes it takes a while. But do that, and this could be anything you want. So I'll do Andrew.Hypnorowski123. And click iOS at the top here, almost forgot that, and click Create. So this would create a new app for you in iTunes Connect. So now we could start making in-app purchases. Alright, so when you get into that, let's go and head over here to Features and make sure in-app purchases is selected. Now click the plus button to make an in-app purchase. And for this video, I'll make one in-app purchase, and my example for this would be a remove ads in-app purchase. So a consumable purchase is, for example, when you buy coins in a game and you can keep buying them. A non-consumable purchase is, for my example, purchasing no ads in your app. You only buy it once and you only need to buy it once. So we're going to click non-consumable. So give this a reference name. This is for your own use. I'll say purchased no ads. Product ID, if you come over here, it's just a unique identifier, so when you see what is purchased in the App Store, you could see this. So we could just put something like purchased.no.ads, and we'll put our app name of Analytics. So we're going to select Tier 1 probably, which is 99 cents, but you could pick whatever you want. Make sure cleared for sale is yes up here. And now let's scroll down. So now we need to add a language here. So make sure English is selected or whatever language you want. Now display name is what's going to be displayed to the user. Say, so we could put no ads. And then our description would be purchase this to remove the ads in the app. We're going to save this. Great, so now in order to submit your app with an in-app purchase, you have to take a screenshot right here, and I'm not going to do that right now, but a screenshot just needs to be provided to show them what you want to have an in-app purchase for. So if it's for removing ads, just take a screenshot of the ad itself and submit that as your screenshot. But for now, we're just going to click Save. Alright, so when that is done, your product ID right here is going to be used in your app. But for now, let's go back over to our app. So minimize this. And over here, select Capabilities. And now come down here to In-App Purchase and click On. Now you have to select your developer account, just choose yours, and then in the next video we're going to get on to coding for this.